First, open the Google Play Store on your phone. Search for Video to Audio. Find the Video to Audio app by InShot. Tap Install. Wait for the app to finish installing. Once it's installed, tap Open. From the home screen, tap Video to Audio. Now select the video that you want to use as your ringtone. After selecting the video, you can cut the video and choose the part that you want to use. You can also edit the audio tags if needed. Now tap the Format option. Select MP3 as the audio format. You can also adjust the bitrate. A bitrate of 128 should be enough for a ringtone. Once you're ready, tap Convert. Wait for the conversion to finish. Your video has now been converted into an audio file. The audio file will be saved on your phone. Now look for the Set As option below the converted file. Tap Set As. The app may ask for permission to set the audio file as a ringtone. Allow the required permission. Then press the back button to return to the app. If an ad appears, close it and return to the app. Tap Set As again. Then tap Set As Ringtone. The converted audio file will now be set as your ringtone. From now on, when you receive a call, your selected audio will play as the ringtone. That's it. This is how you can set a video as a ringtone on an Android phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.